Look around you. The digital landscape is shifting under our feet right now. Everyone is talking about AI, AI writing, AI images, AI chatbots. It is undeniably cool technology. But let's be real for a second. Are you just playing with AI, or are you ready to actually profit from it? Because the biggest opportunity in 2026 isn't just using AI for fun. It is leveraging AI to solve the single hardest problem in the creator economy: video production speed. The question isn't, can AI make cool videos? The real question, the million-dollar question is, can AI video actually generate a serious side income? The answer is a massive yes, but only if you have the right engine. Today, I am ripping up the old rule book of video creation. No expensive cameras, no complex editing software, no showing your face if you don't want to. I'm going to show you the exact blueprint to turn simple text into revenue-generating video assets using the fastest AI tool on the market right now, Videogen. If you want to unlock a new stream of income this year, buckle up. We are diving deep. Let's define the problem first. We all know video is king. YouTube, TikTok, Reels, that is where the attention is. And where attention goes, money flows. But the traditional barrier to entry was massive. You needed skills, you needed gear, but most importantly, you needed time. To grow a profitable channel, you need volume. You need consistency. If it takes you 10 hours to script, source footage, edit, caption, and render one single video, you have already lost. You cannot scale that as a side hustle. You will burn out before you make your first dollar. The old way of making videos is simply too slow for the modern economy. This is where most people quit. They see the potential of the faceless channel economy, but the execution crushes them. So, how do the top players pump out 3, 5, even 10 high-quality videos a day across different platforms? They aren't superhumans. They just have a better system. They are using AI to automate the heavy lifting. Enter Videogen. Listen to me carefully. Videogen is not just another video editor. It is an automated video generation engine designed specifically for speed and scale. I have tested dozens of these tools. Many are clunky. Many produce weird, glitchy results. Videogen is different because it focuses on one thing: taking a text script and turning it into a publish-ready video in minutes, not days. It solves the 3 biggest bottlenecks of video creation instantly. First, the footage hunt. Normally, you would spend hours on stock footage sites looking for the right clip of a businessman shaking hands or a futuristic city. Videogen's AI reads your script, understands the context, and automatically pulls relevant, high-quality B-roll from millions of royalty-free assets. It does the searching for you. Second, the editing grind. It automatically syncs the footage to the pacing of the narration. It cuts the clips. It adds the transitions. The timeline is built for you before you even lift a finger. And third, the caption headache. In today's muted autoplay world, captions are mandatory. Videogen generates accurate subtitles and burns them in with stylish, engaging animations that keep viewers hooked. Videogen turns the 10-hour process into a 15-minute process. And that speed is the key to unlocking side income. Okay, the tool is great, but a tool doesn't make money. A strategy makes money. How do we actually turn Videogen into cash flow? Don't just make random videos. I am going to share 3 concrete blueprints you can execute right now using Videogen to build a side income. Blueprint number 1 is the affiliate sniper channel. This is the highest converting strategy for long-form content. You pick a specific niche with high-ticket products. Think software reviews, financial tools, or high-end tech gadgets. You don't need to own the product. You need the information. You go to an AI writer like ChatGPT or Claude and ask it to write a comprehensive comparative review script. For example, top 5 best CRM software for small business. You take that script, copy it, and paste it directly into Videogen. Videogen will analyze the text. When the script mentions analytics, it finds footage of dashboards. When it mentions growth, it finds footage of upward trends. You choose a professional AI voiceover within Videogen and hit generate. In 20 minutes, you have a professional-looking, faceless review video. You upload that to YouTube. In the description, you place your affiliate links to those 5 software products. Because the video is informational and helpful, people trust it. When they click and buy, you get a commission. These videos become digital assets that work for you 24/7, years after you uploaded them. Blueprint number 2 is the vertical video volume game. This targets Shorts, TikTok, and Reels. This is about massive awareness and ad revenue sharing. The goal here is speed and quantity. Choose broad appeal niches like motivation, interesting facts, history snippets, or scary stories. Use an AI writer to generate 20 60-second scripts on a topic like mind-blowing facts about space. Feed these into Videogen one by one. Because Videogen is so fast at matching B-roll, you can crunch out 10 to 20 of these shorts in a single afternoon. Ensure you use Videogen's engaging animated captions. These are crucial for retention on vertical platforms. Flood the platforms. The high volume increases your chances of going viral. Once you hit the requirements, you earn money through the YouTube Partner Program for Shorts, TikTok Creativity Program, or Facebook Reels bonuses. It is a numbers game, and Videogen rigs the numbers in your favor. Blueprint number 3 is the B2B video agency hustle. This is the fastest way to immediate cash if you don't want to wait for YouTube growth. Local businesses are desperate for video content for their social media ads, but they can't afford a $5,000 video production crew. Find local real estate agents, dentists, or accountants. Offer to turn their existing blog posts or About Us text into engaging social media videos. They send you the text. You paste it into Videogen. You add their logo at the end. You charge them anywhere from $100 to $300 per video package. It takes you 30 minutes of work using Videogen. The client is happy because it looks professional and costs barely anything compared to traditional video. You pocket the profit margin created by AI efficiency. Now, let's talk about the execution because seeing is believing. Imagine the workflow. You have a script about running tips for beginners. You paste it into Videogen's dashboard. You select a desired video orientation. Let's go horizontal for YouTube. You click Generate Video. The system scans the text. It grabs a clip of a person tying running shoes here, a clip of someone jogging on a track there. It is perfect context. If you don't like a clip, it takes one click to swap it from their massive library. You add a voice that sounds professional and authoritative. You check the captions, and they are timed perfectly. You are ready to export. That took less time than it takes to order a coffee. That is the power of leverage. You have to understand that we are living in a unique time in history. The era of gatekeeping video production is over. The wall has vanished. If you have been sitting on the sidelines, watching other channels explode, watching other people talk about their side hustles and wondering, why not me? Well, now you have no excuse. The technology is here. Videogen has democratized the ability to create professional-looking video assets at scale. The only variable left in the equation is you. Are you willing to put in the work to execute the strategy? Don't let this wave pass you by. Start building your library of content today. Start building that traffic source. Start building that side income. The tool you need to start is right there waiting for you. If you are serious about turning text into video and video into income, you need to try Videogen. I have secured a link for the community to get you started right now. Stop thinking about it. Start creating. Click the link in the description below, sign up for Videogen, and make your first video today. Let's get this money. Link in description.